Cutting metal with the wrong tool can be slow, messy, and frustrating, especially when you're dealing with thick steel or precise shapes. That's where plasma cutters come in. They deliver clean, fast, and accurate cuts with minimal effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, workshop owner, or professional fabricator, the right plasma cutter can save you time and improve results. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best plasma cutters, powerful, efficient, and built for performance. We analyzed specs and user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Let's get started. Number 5. HZXVOGEN 50A IGBT Inverter Plasma Cutter. The HZXVOGEN 50A Plasma Cutter is a versatile and budget-friendly option for both beginners and professionals. With dual voltage support, 110 volt to 220 volt, it adapts easily to different power setups. Its IGBT inverter technology ensures stable performance and efficient energy use. Capable of cutting stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals, it delivers smooth and precise results. The compact and portable design makes it easy to carry to job sites. Ideal for home projects, light industrial work, and maintenance tasks, this machine offers solid cutting power at a great value. Number 4. Reboot 60A Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The Reboot 60A Plasma Cutter stands out with its non-touch Pilot Arc technology, allowing you to cut through rough, painted, or rusty surfaces without direct contact. It delivers clean cuts up to 12 millimeters and can handle severance cuts up to 19 millimeters. With dual voltage capability, it offers flexibility for different work environments. Its efficient cooling system ensures stable operation during extended use. This machine is perfect for workshop use, automotive repair, and metal fabrication, offering a balance of power, precision, and durability. Number 3. HITBOX 45A Non-Touch Plasma Cutter. The HITBOX 45A Plasma Cutter is designed for home users and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable performance. Featuring non-HF, non-touch technology, it ensures safer operation with minimal interference. The smart LED display provides clear control over settings, making it user-friendly even for beginners. With 2T, 4T operation modes, it allows flexible cutting control for different tasks. Its compact size and lightweight design make it highly portable. Perfect for small workshops, repairs, and hobby projects, this cutter delivers consistent and clean results. Number 2. CNC HC8000 80A Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The CNC HC8000 is a high-performance plasma cutter built for heavy-duty applications. With 80 amps of cutting power, it easily handles thick metals with precision and speed. The blowback Pilot Arc system ensures reliable non-touch starts, even on dirty surfaces. It features a digital display for accurate adjustments and supports THC, or torch height control, making it ideal for CNC automation. This machine is perfect for industrial use, fabrication shops, and professional metalworkers who need power, consistency, and advanced functionality. Number 1. ANDELI 50A HF-Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI 50A Plasma Cutter takes the top spot with its excellent combination of power, portability, and advanced features. It uses HF Pilot Arc technology for smooth, non-touch cutting and supports 2T/4T modes for better control. With a maximum cutting thickness of up to 16 millimeters, it handles a wide range of materials with ease. The DC inverter design ensures stable performance and energy efficiency. Compact yet powerful, this cutter is perfect for both professional and home use, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. Plasma cutters make metal cutting faster, cleaner, and more efficient.
These 5 models offer a great mix of power, precision, and portability for different needs and budgets. Whether you're working at home or in a professional shop, there's a perfect option here for you. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.